Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about how to off talkback in our Tecno mobile. Guys you have on this setting and guys you want to off this setting talkback setting. So then how can you off it? In this video friends I am going to show you. Then guys you can off your talkback easily in your Tecno phone. So wait, don't worry, I will tell you how can you off it. So then first of all guys you will have to use guys your two finger and guys you can scroll your screen. Then guys one finger click on setting and guys double tap to activate. Then friends you can see this type of setting. Again guys two finger use and guys scroll it with your two fingers. And guys click on your special function with one finger, guys tap here and double tap to activate. Again scroll guys with your two finger. Accessibility setting, tap here, double tap, scroll, talk back guys, double tap. So tap here, double tap, stop talk back. So is your talk back will off in your Tecno mobile. So guys you can use your phone without any problem guys, you can see. So I hope friends you understood how to off talkback in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.